Alright, the only way this video is going to work is if you help me out right now. So let me know in the comments below how the audio sounds. Because 99% of the time, in my opinion, the audio you're hearing will not be fit for purpose. But it needs to sound like this because I'm trying to prove a point. I'm not afraid to say it, this is one of my all-time favourite tracks. I love film scores in general, and I'd like to use them in more of our videos, but if I did, we'd get copyright claimed a lot, just like this video. But I think it was worth it to demonstrate YouTube's new tool. You should know by now that whenever you upload a video to YouTube, automatic copyright checks take place, and if anything is found, you'll be told what it is and what actions you can take. Typically, the channel itself isn't affected, but you won't be able to monetize the content. And previously, you could silence the copyright audio or replace it with music from YouTube's audio library, but that would always remove speech and sound that might be critical to the video. But now, YouTube has a brand new tool that removes the copyright music but keeps other sound such as speech. And you heard that solution in action at the very beginning of this video. Alright, the only way this video is going to work is if you help me out right now. So let me know in the comments below how the audio sounds. Because 99% of the time, in my opinion, the audio you're hearing would not be fit for purpose. But it needs to sound like this because I'm trying to prove a point. I've got to give YouTube some credit here. Despite that music pretty much drowning out my voice, YouTube was able to remove the copyrighted material and leave us with acceptable audio. But it must be stressed, this tool isn't perfect. Your mileage is always going to vary when AI is involved. In this example, the audio got horribly out of sync with the video. This competitor tool is how you keep track of their channel's performance and best video. But at this stage in the game, what's the alternative? Delete the video, re-edit the video, re-render the video, re-upload the video back to YouTube, and so on and so on. And we all know that takes hours. So I think this is a good update from YouTube with no complaints that I can think of. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you want a complete guide to copyright claims on YouTube, then this is the next video for you. Otherwise, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this copyright claimed video.